Hello, Platero. How are you? Fine? Great to hear that. I prepared a video for you. Ready to work with routines? Okay, so let's start. How do you feel today? Happy or sad? I am very happy to see you again. Look at this happy face. Can you see the smile? Can I see your smiling faces? Very good. That's a nice smile. Very good. Now, raise your hand if you are ready for the weather routine. What's the weather like today, Platero? Is it sunny? Rainy? No, it's not rainy today. Cloudy? I don't know. I have an idea. Why don't we draw an imaginary window? Can you help me? Yes? Okay. Let's pick the imaginary pencil. Let's draw the window. Open the window. Move the curtains. And look. Oh, it's sunny today. Can you draw? Can you draw the sun with me? Yes? Come on. Very good. Today is sunny, but it can be cloudy or rainy. Today is sunny. Now, are you ready to sing the weather song with me? Yes? I count 3 and we start. 1, 2, 3. Let's open the window and see. What's the weather like today? Let's open the window and see. What's the weather like today? It's sunny, sunny, sunny today. It's sunny today. Very good, Platero, great, well done. ¿Te animas a enseñarle a tus familias a dibujar la ventana, como hacemos en la salita con nuestro lápiz imaginario? No te olvides de ir a mirar por la ventana a ver cómo está el clima. To see through the window, what's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy or rainy? Y después les podés enseñar la canción haciendo las mímicas como hacemos en la salita. Y el que se anima se puede grabar y puede subir el videíto a la plataforma. ¿Qué les parece? Bueno, bye Platero. See you later, alligator. Bye butterfly.